welcome today a dynamic coach and captivating speaker.
An inspiration to so many.
The man, the myth, the legend, Aditya Guthey.
Hello, everyone. All right. Thank you. I'm Aditya Guthey, speaker and coach for tech professionals and tech leaders. I have helped hundreds of leaders transform their communication and leadership skills.
This session was very informative, it was very energetic, and it was the best entrance I've ever seen.
I saw you speak, and you made such a lovely connection to the audience.
Engineers excel at solving complex problems, but often lack training in leadership and communication skills. These gaps can lead to communication breakdowns, often causing misalignment among teams. The result is often over-engineering or under-engineering, both of which undermine value delivery and adversely impact the bottom line. On an average, it costs companies anywhere between $100,000 to $200,000 for every $1 million spent because of over-engineered solutions. The solution goes beyond speaking clearly or using fancy phrases. It requires mastering them awareness. Self-awareness is awareness about ourselves. Them awareness is awareness about others' needs and perspectives in a way that creates total alignment between business teams and technology teams. Can you imagine the kind of unfair advantage you would have if you can get into the minds of others to understand what they want? Them awareness is the skill that allows you to read the room and respond with precision. It is the skill that enables you to create products perfectly aligned with your business goals and customer needs. It is the skill that allows you to speak your mind and take bold action, even if it feels risky.
Pretty soon I realized that there's only one dance move that you really need to learn in America, which is the grinding move.
It is the skill that sets the greatest leaders apart. They know what you're thinking even before you realize it. When engineering leaders master them awareness, they don't just solve problems, they transform teams, drive alignment, and deliver extraordinary value.
He is an amazing speaking coach.
I mean, he was specifically engaged with everyone.
I loved it.
He made his points very clearly.
This process has far surpassed my expectations.
I highly recommend Aditya's coaching.
Practical results.
Are you ready to master the one skill that will transform your leadership and amplify your impact